What if I told you that you could start earning $300 a day online without showing your face, without investing a single dollar, and without having any special skills? Thanks to the power of artificial intelligence, that's now a reality. Today, I'm going to show you real step-by-step methods you can use to make $300 per day using a free AI website, even if you're starting completely from scratch. Let's dive in. Method 1. Create and sell ebooks with AI. The first method is all about creating digital products like ebooks, guides, or lead magnets using 100% free AI tools. Go to simplified.com and sign up for a free account. Simplified is an all-in-one AI tool that helps you write blogs, ad copy, scripts, product descriptions, and more. And yes, the free version is powerful enough to get started. Once you're inside, choose the AI Writer tool. Tell the AI to generate an ebook on a topic people are already searching for. Think 10 Habits to Be More Productive, or Beginner's Guide to Budgeting, or How to Start a Side Hustle. You don't need to write a single word. The AI will do it all for you. Just guide it step by step. Ask it to create an outline, then generate content for each chapter or section. Once the writing is done, go to canva.com and design a quick cover. Use a free ebook template, drag in your title and a few icons, and boom, you've got a ready-to-sell digital product. Upload your ebook to Gumroad, a completely free platform where you can list and sell digital products globally. Add a simple description, set your price between $5 and $20, and you're ready to go. Even at $10 per sale, just 30 sales a day gets you to $300. But how do you drive traffic? Use Pinterest to design vertical pins with Canva and link back to your product. Post value-based tips in Reddit threads related to your niche. Write an article on Medium summarizing the ebook and include a link. And finally, use TikTok or Instagram Reels to post short motivational clips or tips from the ebook, all using Canva or Simplified's video tool. You create once, promote everywhere, and earn daily. Method 2. Offer AI content services on freelance platforms. This next method is for anyone who wants instant cash flow by offering services online, but without doing the hard work themselves. Using Simplified's AI Writer, you can offer content writing services on Fiverr, Upwork, or People Per Hour, even if you've never written a thing in your life. Start by creating a gig like, I will write a 1,000-word blog post on any topic. I will write your product descriptions. I will create SEO-optimized content for your website. Clients don't care how the content is written, they just want it fast, cheap, and effective. With Simplified, you can deliver a 1,000-word blog post in 10 minutes. Just input the topic, keywords, and tone, and the AI gives you full paragraphs you can edit and send. You can easily make $20 to $50 per order. And here's a pro tip. Once you build a little reputation with 5-star reviews, offer package deals or monthly content plans to get recurring income. You're acting as the middleman, while AI does 90% of the work. Method 3. Create and sell. Notion templates. Using AI Notion templates are blowing up right now, my dear. People want pre-made productivity systems, finance trackers, daily planners, and habit trackers. And you can create them with help from Simplified and Canva. Use Simplified to write out the content and structure. For example, a freelancer project tracker might include task lists, deadlines, client notes, and time logs. Ask the AI to generate that layout, then build it in Notion. It's super easy and drag and drop based. Once done, package it as a template and upload it to Gumroad, Etsy, or even your own Google Drive with a PayHip checkout link. Promote the template through TikTok, Instagram Reels, or productivity Reddit threads. Show short screen recordings of your template in action. This builds trust and interest fast. Many people make $50 to $200 a day selling a single template. Stack a few templates together and you're on track for $300 days. So there you have it. 3 real actionable methods to start making $300 a day using one free AI website. You're not going to get rich overnight, but this is a real opportunity to build something profitable without needing any skills, any team, or any money up front. AI has leveled the playing field, and the best time to take advantage of it is right now. If you found this helpful, drop a like, hit subscribe, and comment below which method you're going to try first. And if you want a full tutorial on any one of these, just let me know. I've got you covered. Stay focused, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video.